Look at this hot pepper plant. It grew in the banana cluster. Now, look at how all the hot peppers look like. And I think there are two plants. There is that one there, which comes, and this is where it is. So when we are making our organic pesticide, this is what we always use. And more to that, there are people who love it. For me, I don't eat it. I fear hot food. Yes, this is what it is. I love it. I love looking at it. When I come here and look at it, woo, it brightens my eyes and my day. I love it. So when you come, you'll not miss hot pepper. It's here. It's here, hot pepper. Some are drying up. Others are still fresh. Those are drying up.